Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to add VSCO link on Instagram. So simply you have to understand VSCO is a photo editing app and most popular app. So simply first of all you have to download VSCO app from Google Play Store. So type here VSCO and simply search here. So here you can see VSCO photo and video editor app. So simply you have to download it and then you have to create an account. So after when you create an account on VSCO, so simply after creating account, just copy the link of your account and open Instagram. So finally here you can see this is my profile. So you have to use the updated version of Instagram. Now simply what you need to do, just click on here. Now click on edit profile. Now when you click on edit profile, you can see this new pop-up is appear. So simply here go to links. Now here you can see we have added this link. So just we remove this link and tap on an external links. So here you can type your VSCO profile. You can type in
so just
title.
copy paste your
You can also want to add
profile link here, and then after this you can also add title here. Click on yes. So now we go back